Are you actually seeing the direction of light, or just noticing that it's dull or bright? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. Light has direction, and where it's coming from makes a massive difference. And this isn't just about exposure, it's about feeling, shape, and story. The same subject can look clean, dramatic, or emotive simply by changing where the light hits. Front light is where the light is behind you and hitting the subject head on. The detail is clear, shadows are minimal, but it can feel a bit flat. It's perfect for documentary work, catalogue style, and family portraits where clarity matters most. Side light is light from the left or right. It gives us shadows, shape, and texture. This is where depth appears, where we get dimension. It's great for portraits, food, and architecture. Backlight is light behind your subject. It gives you rim light, that lovely glow and silhouette. It's trickier to expose for, but incredibly emotive with drama, atmosphere, and mood. Why not try backlighting during golden hour? That beautiful edge light is well worth the effort. So don't just ask if there's enough light, also ask where it's coming from. Light direction isn't just a detail, it's a creative decision. And if you're following the Ultimate Checklist series, this links directly to episode 5 here, where we break down how light shapes your subject and impacts clarity. And remember, small intentional shifts make a massive difference. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.